Sidebar buttons are buttons located on the top, right, and the bottom border of the Cartograph window. Sidebar buttons can be used for quickly accessing app functionality. We can add sidebar buttons from the main menu, Settings, General, and here you can select one of the borders. The left border has fixed buttons which cannot be changed. Let's take the top border as an example. When we press the plus icon, we can select one of the tools. Now we can change the tool buttons background and foreground colors. Select blue as foreground color and orange as background color. And when we press OK, then the button appears here. We can change the button size. And we can remove buttons again by selecting the button and select delete. And now the button's text is strike through and marked red. And when we press OK, then the button disappears again.